sharp so I can see.
No.
I want to see her cute little face. You see?
Yeah, come sit on this chair, Ab. La 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 la.
Stop it, bitch.
La button.
Sit. Good girl. Good sit. What is that? Is that your treat? Is that your treat?
Well, first let me see it.
Let's see what it is.
Another dog. On the 6th.
Is it another dog?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's pretty much the same dog.
Yeah. Here you go.
Hey.
Left button. You can.
You got another dog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you need a dog with a
Bite
Santa
it.
hat.
Santa Claus is not very creative.
Bite it.
It's because she doesn't want to bite your finger.
Bite it.
Open up your palm.
Just put your hold it out in your palm, Al. You're gonna get bit.
He doesn't want to bite.
She doesn't want to hurt you.